Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to upload image in Laravel. Here is the basic course. Last video we learned the title, meta title and description upload, text upload. But today we will learn how to upload image. So jump to our project. So first I'm going to our create page. So here is that. You know that when you want to upload the image, then you should mention enc type multipart form data. Okay, here's the basic part. Okay, next we need to check in model. Here is the image mentioned or not, database name is mentioned or not. So here is the name or database table name is image. Okay, then we need to create of here is the code. So first we are checking our database. So we are checking the file name. Okay, so just a validation, need to validation, because when I click here is automated going. Okay, it's automated going. Just we need right now in validate. So how to validate? Okay, just use validation. Sorry, it's request validate. Okay, it will be array. Okay, just here and title, description, image also, and no need here this. Okay, just mention that is required. Just is required. Okay, just mention is required, no need extra, no need extra, just mention is required. Okay, then we need required image file type. Okay, so image file type will be image. Just write here image and write memes. Memes means is type. Okay, then write here type JPEG, then PNG, then JPG. Okay, we are accepting here just 3 types of data, and max value is 2 MB. 848. Okay, max value. Okay, max max. Now just click here is auto. Okay, is other validate facilities. So here we need to upload image. Okay, I'm just making code for upload image. Okay, just upload image equal to request file image. Is it okay? Now image name equal to this upload image upload image, and is the uploaded image. Sorry, is uploaded image, and here's the upload image. Now we need to create one. Okay, just this name will be here. Okay, just this name will be here. So it's name. Okay, so we need to make one function, this function, okay, which will be private function, right, and name. private private function. So what's the problem? Syntax error? No, not a syntax error. It's all need to parameter image private, right, if I'm not wrong. Oh, sorry, I need to mention here. I'm really sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so here you need to write this code. So first we need image name equal to extension. This means image extension. Time function, this means return this time, and concatenation, and try to use dot and dot image, get client or original extension, okay, SION extension. Okay, then we need move image. Okay, we need move image. This image is a direct image. We need move image move public path and name will be image and image name. Okay, so okay, and right now image and return image name. We should return image name. I hope this is the upload image code. So what I made here is make the functionality and name here. Okay, so right now I'm just posting here post slash image because I need the uploaded. uploaded uploaded slash post. Okay, uploaded slash post, and I need also mention here our database concatenation slash post uploaded slash post means okay. Let's try to make one post. This is title, meta title, description, title, okay. Next API service, okay, and description also politics, name is entertainment, okay. Yeah, so if I check here uploaded post and image, yeah, is done. Now I need to, so I need here, no, this not here, is need image src, yes, post image, yeah, post image is done. I need to check next what happened here. No, this is not fair. Title, oh, we should mention our asset, assets, and this, yeah, we have already uploaded. We need width, axo, height, axo. We are successfully upload image here, okay. So hopefully you understand how to upload image in Laravel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you don't like, please watch my channel. Thank you so much.